about the six flags that once flew over Texas from our captivating history pearls. While you're enjoying your time in the sky, be sure to indulge in a spectacular meal at the renowned Chart House restaurant. The whole family will enjoy the legendary seafood specialties and fresh fish, succulent steaks, and other creative favorites from our chefs who've tailored a menu to complement local cuisine while introducing talent to the exotic. Before or after your meal, relax with a cocktail in Bar 601, a hip, sophisticated lounge perfect for happy hour or late night cocktails. Don't forget about the fun on the ground level. Here you can take a high-flying tour of the skies over Texas in our 4D multi-sensory theater, a sophisticated ride that engulfs you in real scenes of life in Texas. You'll see, hear, feel, and even smell the ocean. Tower Cafe offers tasty snacks and ice cold beverages. And be sure to stop at the Tower Gift Shop and take home a Texas style souvenir to remind you of your visit. Looking for a great way to kick off your weekend? Join us every Friday night from May to October for our weekend party on the plaza, featuring live music, dancing, snacks, and libations. Tower of the Americas specializes in spectacular special events with 3 other private rooms.
How many? 4. I'll be right back for you guys. Anybody else? All together? Anybody have 2?
Oh, we're 2.
2. I can get 2 more. We got one.
Razıydı ko.
Thank
I'll be
you.
right back.
Phone on them.
Al
The
diyor.
exchange is locked up.
Get a man, just take it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Then you for $10. Oh, yeah, put
Welcome
it
to
in
the
the height
Tower of the
of
Americas. After our
Don't look
quick
down.
elevator
Don't
ride
look
at
up.
the top, you'll be taking in
My
the best
husband
views
enjoyed
of
me because
beautiful
he's
San
afraid of
Antonio.
the heights.
Oh, yeah, Built in 1968 as the
when I was-
centerpiece
when
for
I
the World's
became
Fair,
afraid of heights,
Tower
I
of the
was
Americas
10 years
stands
old, and I
750
was
feet
playing
above
on
the
the
sprawling
glass
Alamo City
elevator.
below.
And
If you were to
I
take
was
the
in the
stairs
corner
up,
crying,
it would be a
and
nearly
I was like,
1,000 step journey to the
pushed the
top.
wrong button, realized, started going
And
up
enjoy
in
the
the glass
view
elevator,
as
and
we
I
ascend skyward.
was like, no,
Our
never again.
first stop is Chart House Restaurant, serving legendary steaks and seafood as guests overlook the bustling cityscape below as the restaurant slowly rotates 360
Yeah, that was
degrees.
the first time that
Grab
I
a cocktail or quick drink at Bar 601 and enjoy happy hour weekdays. Our second and final stop will be the observation deck, where breathtaking panoramic views await. Throughout the observation level, we have information identifying landmarks and telling just a few tales of Texas colorful history. Thank you for visiting Tower of the Americas. We are so glad
This
you're
is going to be
here,
your
and we
exit
hope
to
you
my
enjoy
right.
your
You have a
visit.
great day going out this door right here.
Thank you.